Sophie, ang gulo mo.
First animals, ma'am, is a reticulated python. Python is a non-venomous animal. But constrictor. So the pure
Can you believe this? The python.
originated to Philippines.
Snake. Snake.
No, so diet, ma'am, so warm-blooded like a dog, chicken, and rodent.
Do they eat peoples?
Yeah.
Kumakain ng tao to?
Yes, ma'am, pag ano po, pag malaki na ako, nang-a-attack po sila. Yung kasi yung defense mechanism po na nalilimpis sila sa constrictor animals. The color yellow, ma'am, is albino python, originated to Brazil.
Ano mas delikado kuya? This one or that one?
That one po, is very dangerous because siya po yung talaga yung pinakamatapang na python.
Ito?
Apo, yung at sa atin sa Pilipinas, yung reticulated